So good morning, everyone. So, like I said, that subsequently we'll be posting the WAEC solve questions. So these are 3 questions we want to solve today. This is the just concluded, the ongoing NECO. So NECO 2026 question 9. It said in an arithmetic progression, the difference between the 14th term and 7th term is 56, and the 12th term is 2 number 1 over 3 of the 4th term. He said find the common difference and 2 we said to find what the sum of the first 9 terms. So he said in an arithmetic progression, the difference between 14th term and the 7th term is 56, and the 12th term is 2 number 1 over 3 of the 4th term. So we're told to find the common difference and sum of the first 9 terms. So the solution, so we're told that T, the 14th term, which is T14 minus T7 is 56. So T14 we said is what? A plus 13D minus A plus 6D, that's 7th term, equals to 56. Are we together? So that's A plus 13D, open bracket, that's minus A. So this one is what? Minus 6D equals to 56. So then A cancel A. So 13D minus 6D equals to what? 56. 13 minus 6, and that is 7. 7D equals to what? So we can divide both sides by 7. So our common difference. So our common difference is what? Our common difference is 8. Because 8 times 7 is what? Is 56. Now, we don't know our first term. So we can substitute, put D equals to 8 in term 14. So that's what? A plus D. Are we together? So, yeah, we can get it that way, but we don't need to rush things. We can get it that way, actually, but we don't need to rush things. So now, the second statement is said that, and the 12th term, T12, is what? 2 number 1 over 3 of the 4th term. So if this one is A plus what? 11D. So this is 2 times 3. We need to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. 2 times 3, that's what? 6 plus 1, 7 over 3. That's 7 over 3 of, that's A plus 3D. Are we together? That's A plus 3D. Then let's rub this. A plus 3D. So we know that the value of our D is what? Is 8. So that's what? A plus 11 into 8 equals to 7/3. Off means times. So A plus what? 3 times 8. So this is what? 88 plus A equals to 7/3 into what? A plus 24. So let's what? Let's cross multiply. So 3 into 88 plus A. So then 7 into A plus what? 24. Are we together? So 88 times 3, we can do that. That's 4. So 24, that's what? 26. That's 264 plus 3A equals to 7A. So that's 24 times 7. Literally, that's 7 times 4. That's 28. That's 8. Are we together? So 14 plus, that's 168. Are we together? So then we can now what? Collect like terms. So 264 minus 168, 7A minus what? Minus 3A. So that's 4A equals to, so 264 minus 168. So we can say this is 6. So here 1, here is what? 9. So 96. Are we together? So divide by 4. Then the value of our A is what? Here 2, the 1, here. So our A is what? The value of our A is 24. So we've gotten our D and we've gotten our A. D is what? 8 and A is 24. Are we together? So the next thing we need to do is to find the sum of what? First 9 terms. So having done this, we will just what? Find the sum of first 9 terms. Okay? So looking for the sum of first 9 terms, we know that the formula is given as Sn into n over 2 open bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d close bracket. So sum of what? 9. So n is what? 9 over 2. Are we together? So 2a, a is 24, n minus, okay, n is 9, 9 minus 1, and our d is what? 8. Are we together? So this is 9 over 2 into what? 48 plus 9 minus 1. That's 8. 8 into 8. So that is what? 9 over 2 into 48 plus 8 times 8. That's 64. So we can just do 48 plus 64, this 2. So 48 plus for this 2, this, that's 112. That's 9 over 2 in bracket 112. So 2 here 1, 2 here 5, here 6. So then we can say what? 9 times 56 is what? Is the 9th term. So that's 56 times 9. So 54, 4 carry 5. 9 times 5, that's 45. plus 5, 50. So we said it is what? 504. So are we together? We said it is what? 504 for our what? For our ninth term. So that is the solution to the NECO question that was written last week. So that's NECO question 9. That's the solution. So we can move to a WAEC question now. Can move to a WAEC question now. Okay. So WAEC 2019. So question 8 of it, it said the fifth term of an AP is 11, and the eighth term is 20. So we are told to find A, the 12th term, and B, we are told to find sum of the first 12 terms. So what we want to do is no far-fetched. We just need to what? To solve simultaneously. So fifth term T5 is what? A plus 4D. So from the formula Tn equals to A plus n minus 1D. Are we together? So n is what? 5. 5 minus 1, that's 4. 4 multiplied by d, that's 4d. That's where we what? We got our T5 to be A plus 4d. And it's given as what? 11. So 8th term T8, following that sequence, so 8 minus 1, that's 7d, equals to what? 20. Then we need to solve simultaneously. So what do we do? Let's rub this. Okay. So now A plus 4D equals to 11, equation 1. So A plus what? 7D equals to 20, that's equation 2. Then we need to what? Subtract the smaller from the bigger. Are we together? So definitely equation 2 is smaller, is bigger than what? Equation 1. A minus A, that's what? That has cancelled because they are of same coefficient. Now 4 minus 7D, that's what? That's minus 3D. And 11 minus 20, that's minus 9. You can divide both sides by minus 3. So D equals to, this cancel this. So our common difference is what? Is 3. We can put D equals to 3 in equation 1. So equation 1 is A plus what? 4D equals to 11. So A plus what? 4 times 3 equals to 11. So that's A plus 12 is 11. So A equals, collect like terms, 11 minus 12, A equals to minus 1. So then we know our D and we know our A. Then we don't need to waste time. We just need to what? To find the 12th term and find the sum of what? The first 12 terms. So permit me. So getting T12 equals to A plus what? N minus 1D. That's A plus 11D. 12 minus 1 is 11. So A is what? Minus 1. And D is what? 3. So minus 1 plus 33. 33 minus 1, that's 32. So 12 times is 32. B, let's find the sum of first 12 terms. N over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Are we together? Where our n is what? 12. Our a is what? Minus 1. So 12 minus 1, that's 11. D is what? 3. Are we together? So in this case, permit me to rub this. In this case, so I can say this is 6. This is 6 times minus 2 plus what? Plus 33. Are we together? So that's what? 6 open bracket 33 minus 2, that's 31. So 6 times 1, 6, 6 times 3, 18. So the answer is what? 186. The sum of first 12 terms is what? 186. Then let's solve a question on geometric progression. Then we end it there. So it's actually a WAEC question. Question 3. It's actually a WAEC. Next question. It's actually a WAEC question 2010. So question 10 of it. Are we together? It said the difference. The difference between the third and first term of a GP, which is geometric progression, is 42. If the fourth, if the fourth term is greater than the second term by 168, find A, first term, and B, fourth term. So we're already given what we want to work with. Let's clean this. So now, solution. It said the difference between the third term, T3 minus T1, is what? Is 42. Mind you, this one is what? GP. In GP, the number of terms is what? ARN minus 1. Are we together? So T3 will be what? T3 will be what? T3 AR3 minus 1. So that's what? 3 minus 1 is 2. That's AR square minus T1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And R raised power 0 is what? 1. So T1 will be what? A equals to what? 42. Now let's move to the second statement. He said, if fourth term is greater than what? Is greater than the second term by 168. So T4 equals to 168 plus T2, which means we can say T4 minus T2 equals to what? 168. Are we together? So then T4 is what? AR raised power 3 minus AR equals to 168. Now, we can say we have what? Two equations. And mind you, in geometric progression, we what? we divide whenever we have that. But then we need to factorize this and this so that division will be possible. So now here A is common in equation 1. A is common. That's what? A into R squared minus 1 equals to 42. Abi? So equation 2, AR is common. Abi? Yeah. If you open this bracket, it will give you